Hi everyone. WhatsApp is rolling out a new feature that allows you to use a username as a unique identifier for your WhatsApp account to keep your phone number private. It is different from the display name that you have been using all this while because your display name does not need to be unique. With a username, your phone number will not be visible when you message or call anyone who doesn't already have it saved in their contacts. Instead, they will just see your username, which always appears with an @ in front of it. On the other hand, people who don't have your number can contact you on WhatsApp by your username. And if you wish, you can even restrict it further with username key to protect your privacy. Alright, this username feature is not yet available to everyone, but you can reserve your preferred username early. To create or reserve your WhatsApp username, tap the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and then tap Settings. Then tap the pencil icon at the top right corner to show your profile. On your profile screen, tap Username. You may create a new username, or use your Instagram or Facebook username. For this tutorial, let me just create a new username. Type in your preferred username, and then tap Save. Now if you go back to your profile, you should see your username under Reserved Username. Tap it, and then you can control who can contact you by username. If you want more privacy, select People Who Know My Key. With this setting, anyone who doesn't have your WhatsApp number and has never been in contact with you on WhatsApp will need your username and this key to be able to contact you for the first time. This key can be changed anytime you want so that you can prevent it from being used by unintended people. Alright, now tap Save Key, and then go back to your profile screen. As you can see here, your username and its key appear under Reserved Username. To change your username or its key, tap your username. Tap Edit to change your username, and then simply follow the instructions on the screen. To change your username key, tap Contact Me by username, then tap Username Key, and then get a different key. Save the new key, and then you can go back to your profile screen. Alright, so that's how to reserve a WhatsApp username. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and thank you for watching.